The basic requirement for the efficient operation of PV installations are good insolation conditions. The main factor that make the insolation measurement a non-trivial issue are obstructions around the installation area throwing shadow on the panels. In the case of detached houses, these are trees or other greenery around the building. In the urban areas, neighboring buildings are the main source of shading. One look at the Google map is enough to see how serious the shading problem can be when planning the solar panels installations. The amount of direct and diffuse solar radiation is the next important factor to consider. Harvesting the most of the direct solar radiation means matching the panel's orientation to the path of the sun seen between the obstructions. However, harvesting the most of the diffuse solar radiation means matching the panel's orientation to the visible part of the sky. Both orientations may differ significantly, what has to be taken into account since in some cases the diffuse solar radiation constitutes a half of the available solar energy. Local weather conditions is another factor that cannot be neglected while it strongly affects the amount of available solar energy. It is profitable to adjust panels' orientations to sunny periods, while during the rainy periods there is little or no energy production. If you want to address these and other issues and show the insolation report to your investors, we have a solution: ScanTheSun app. ScanTheSun initiative has been started in 2013 as a part of energy sources and electricity production lectures given at the top university in Poland. In subsequent years, ScanTheSun app has been developed as a private initiative with help of more than 12,000 testers and won the National Energy Globe Award for Poland in 2016. Installation measurement with ScanTheSun app takes not more than 2 minutes. Just follow the 3 measurement steps as the main application screen shows. First step: determine your geographical localization either with a GPS sensor or with a Google map. Second step: measure the obstructions in the area just by drawing an obstruction outline on the screen by tapping with a finger. There are additional features like drawing the sun path on the sky for any day of the year. There are also sensors, calibration tools and other options. Third step: try different panels settings and check the best panel orientation. The main option here is a selection between the direct solar radiation component and the total solar radiation, which includes the sum of the direct and the diffuse components. You can check best panel orientation for the total or for the direct radiation only. There are additional features like selection of the period for panels adjustments, like winter, summer or any other selected month. Tap on Daily Energy Curves to see and to save the measurement results. The Energy Curves chart shows the hours of energy production by the panel for each month. It shows also the hours in which the panel remains in the shadow. If you want to see more charts and share the results with your investors, then tap on the Save All Results button. Fill in basic information about your measurements. This data will be available only to you and will not be shared with other entities, and then click Upload. After a few seconds, you will receive a link containing a code to a website especially created for your measurement. All your saved measurements are to find in Measurements section at the top application screen. The website contains detailed data about the installation features and installation ratings for each month. Show off the results to the investors by sharing the link to the installation report.